This is how you fix your iPhone screen or iPad screen from turning off too fast. It works the same way on both types of devices. Go into the settings, scroll down until you get to display and brightness. Tap on that. Scroll down until you get to auto lock. Tap on that. Mine is set to never, because when I'm making these videos, I like to have the screen on and I'll just turn off every 30 seconds, for example. Most people's by default is set to 30 seconds or 1 minute because that saves battery life. The longer your screen is on, the more battery you're going to use. So just tap on any one of these that you want to set your screen to. After that number of minutes or seconds, your screen will turn off, or never is also an option. But you have to be very careful here because I've put my phone in my pocket not knowing the screen was on or thinking I turned it off, but I didn't. And it was just on for hours in my pocket and the phone dies. So if you're on never, you got to be extra careful. These other options, 5 minutes is pretty long. So if you want to extend it, 5 minutes is pretty good. Choose the one that works for you. This video right here is going to show you how to find extra space on your phone. I can almost guarantee there is more storage space on your phone that you can find using the steps in this video. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.